Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can work with charts inside Microsoft Excel. This is Savin from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. Now charts are the elements, those give the meaning behind the numbers. Now let's take an example of this data right here. Suppose these were the number of books sold in the corresponding months. There are various types of charts inside Microsoft Excel. These charts right here as shown in the screen are called column charts. These are good all-around charts. The next one you can see right here is a line chart. Line charts are best for showing trends over time. The other one is the pie chart. So with the help of pie chart, you can see the data in proportions. Area charts are similar to the line charts, where the areas under the lines are filled in. In order to insert the chart, what you can simply do is select all of the data from your spreadsheet, go to the insert section, go to the chart section right here, and click on one of the charts. For example, let me go with the column chart right now. So you can see right here that this is the chart given on the basis of the data that I entered in the spreadsheet right here. So you can see right here that a certain month has been denoted by a certain color, right? Blue for January, orange for February, and green for March. So right here, color being assigned for each month is called the legend. In order for you to switch the elements of the chart, what you can simply do is go to switch row and column right here as shown in the screen, and you can see that the column chart has been presented on the basis of months right here. January, you can see how much of the books have been sold. So that's how you switch rows and columns inside a chart. In order to change a chart type, what you can simply do is go to the change chart type section right here, click on it, and from this section right here you can change the type of the chart that you want to insert again. For example, let me insert a line chart, click on OK, and you can see that this right here is the line chart presented for the given data right here. In order to change the styles, what you can simply do is go to the ribbon section right here, and you can see various of the styles that you can use as per your preference in order to customize your chart. So for example, I want this type of style for my chart right here. You can also change the layout of the chart that you have filled. Just go to the quick layout section right here, click on it, and then you can choose the type of layout you want for your chart. Not every layout can work well, but you can choose the type of layout that you want on the basis of your preference. The next one is the chart element section. In order to add a chart element, what you can simply do is click on the add chart element right here or on the plus icon right here. And right here you can see what type of elements you want to add or what type of elements you want to change. For example, you can even add an error bar right here. In order to customize the legends, what you can simply do is just click on the arrow right here, right besides the legend, click on it, and you can place it on right, top, left, or bottom. So this is one of the good feature in order to customize the chart as well. And the next basic feature of customizing a chart is the move chart section right here. Just click on it, and right here you can choose where you want the chart to be placed. If you want your chart to be placed on the new sheet, circle right here and click on OK. And right here you can see that the chart has been placed in the new sheet, the data being in the other sheet. So these right here were some of the basic tips on how you can customize your chart, how you can add your chart, how you can change your chart inside MS Excel. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.